Welcome to Rutgers University, New Brunswick, the university's flagship campus. The campus is home to one of the largest university bus systems in the country, and students use the buses to get around campus for classes, dining, studying, activities, and simply getting together with friends. The bus is free and available to everyone. You don't need to show a Rutgers ID to ride the bus. Bus service is available 24 hours a day, either through our regular bus service or through the Night Mover, an on-demand service that runs after regular services and for the night. Routes serve Bush, Livingston, College Ave, Cook, Douglas, and downtown New Brunswick. You can call the Night Mover phone number after regular service ends to request transportation. You must show a valid university ID to use this service. Visit the Rutgers Institutional Planning and Operations (IP&O) transportation website for complete information on bus routes and schedules. For the fall 2022 semester, keep in mind that class times are no longer staggered, so more students will be traveling between classes at the same time.
Here are some helpful tips from fellow students to help you navigate the campus bus system. Before your first day of class, take some practice tips using your course schedule. It's a great way to get familiar with the campus and where the different bus routes go.
Have a question about the buses? Just ask. Student ambassadors will be available at major bus stops during the first month of each semester to answer your questions. You can also ask the bus drivers or other students on the bus for help.
When you're heading to class, it's a good idea to be on the bus at least 30 minutes before your class starts to account for traffic. The buses are busiest and encounter the most traffic between 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. So during this time, you may want to be on the bus 40 to 45 minutes before class starts. Sometimes the buses are crowded, but there are lots of ways to navigate this. If you are in a hurry, wait to take the bus until after a class change ends. Buses are most crowded during class changes.
Sometimes there is more than one bus for the same route waiting at the bus stop. If the first one is too full, check the one behind it. It might be less crowded. The buses run frequently, so the next bus might not be far behind.
While you're waiting at the bus stop, this can help show you how full the bus is long before it arrives at your stop. This can help you decide if it's worth waiting or if you should walk to a nearby stop on the same route that might be less crowded. Typically, the first stop on a route is the least crowded.
Here are a few things to keep in mind that will make riding the bus easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Wait for people to exit the bus before you get on. When you're getting on the bus, move away from the doors to leave aisle space for other riders to board. If you're grabbing a seat, slide into the window seats first. If you have to stand, hold on to a nearby pole or overhead strap. Place your backpack on your lap to keep seats available for others. Make sure you take all of your belongings with you when you get off the bus. And of course, it's always nice to thank your bus drivers as you exit. Have any questions, concerns, or feedback about the buses? You can always submit them to our website. Thanks for watching and welcome to Rutgers.